Mom, the refrigerator is completely empty today.
Toby, we need to buy food today.
Mom, I really want to come with you.
Okay, Toby, let's go shopping together now.
The supermarket trip sounds very fun today.
Toby, please remember to wear your seatbelt.
Okay, Mom, my seatbelt is ready now. Mom, will we buy some sweet fruit today?
Yes, Toby, we need fruit and vegetables.
I really hope they have fresh strawberries. Wow, Mom, this parking lot is so big.
Yes, Toby, we arrived at the supermarket.
Great, Mom, I am ready to go inside. Look, Mom, the doors open by themselves.
They do. It's pretty neat. Toby, please help me push this cart.
I will drive the shopping cart today.
Okay, Toby, be careful.
Mom, there are so many shelves here.
It is a big store, Toby. First, Toby, we need fresh vegetables.
Mom, which vegetables should we buy?
Let's check the list, Toby. We need cabbage, peppers, and some carrots.
Look, Mom, these apples look very shiny.
Toby, please place one cabbage inside.
Okay, Mom, I will put it here.
Please pick 3 bell peppers for us.
1 pepper, 2 peppers, 3 peppers.
Very good counting, Toby. Well done.
Mom, can we buy some bananas today?
Bananas are expensive today at this store.
That is okay, Mom. Maybe next time. Wow, Mom, there's a toy section! That big teddy bear looks very cute. I will just look very quickly there.
Toby, remember to stay close to me.
There are many toy cars on shelves. This red toy truck looks amazing. Look, a crane and a digger toy. Wait, where's my mom now? Mom, where are you right now? This aisle looks empty and quiet. Oh no, I think I am lost. Mom, please answer me. Where are you? Excuse me, have you seen my mother?
No, I haven't. Is she shopping here? Sorry, Toby. I did not see her.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Maya. Oh no, I cannot find my mom.
Toby, where did you go suddenly? Toby, please answer me right now. Excuse me, did you see my son?
Can you tell me what he looks like?
He has brown hair and blue shirt.
I saw a boy near the toy aisle.
Thank you, I will check there now.
This place looks strange and different. This sign says the meat section. Excuse me, Carlos. Where is the exit?
It's right down this way, past the dairy section. Go straight ahead, then turn left.
Thank you very much for helping me.
You're very welcome.
Those toys still look really cool. But I must find my mom first.
Toby, are you somewhere in this aisle? Oh no, he is not here either. Excuse me, did you see a boy? Yes, he walked toward the meat area. Thank you, I will check there quickly.
Should we eat beef or pork today? Mom, I was looking everywhere for you!
Thank goodness, Toby, you are safe.
Mom!
It's okay now.
I am very sorry for running away.
It's okay, sweetie. I'm just glad you're safe. Why did you leave me alone, Toby?
I'm sorry, Mom. I wanted to see the teddy bear.
You must stay with me in stores.
Okay, Mom. I will hold your hand now, Mom.
Let's finish our shopping together now.
I will stay beside you this time.
I know you will, Toby. Toby, please take 2 lettuce here.
Okay, Mom.
Here you go, Toby.
1 lettuce and 2 lettuce ready.
Now, Toby, let's choose some fruit.
Okay, Mom. How about these apples?
They look great. Let's get some.
Look, Mom, the watermelons are huge.
They are, aren't they?
Can we get a watermelon, Mom?
Yes, Toby, we will buy 1 watermelon.
Awesome, thanks! I like helping push the cart today.
You're doing a great job, Toby.
Thanks, Mom. Let's go.
Let me check our shopping list again.
Mom, are we finished shopping now?
Almost, Toby. We just need to check out.
Hello there. Did you find everything?
Yep, we got lots of good stuff.
Yes, Eric, we found everything we need.
Great! I'll get this scanned for you. Your total price today is $156.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Wow, that's a lot.
Thank you. I will pay with my card.
I will carry 1 grocery bag, Mom.
That's very sweet of you, Toby.
Great, Mom. We finished shopping today.
We did. You were a big help. Toby, remember what happened today?
Yes, Mom. I got lost in the store.
Always stay close to an adult.
Okay, Mom.
Good. Let's get our groceries.
Yeah, I'm ready. I understand that lesson now, Mom.
So, Toby, what did you learn today?
Always hold your parents' hand.
Very good, Toby. That is correct.
Mom, can we eat fruit later tonight?
Yes, Toby, we will eat fruit later.
Today was a very exciting day.
Next time, we will stay together always.
I promise I will stay beside you.
I enjoy shopping with you too, Toby.
Me too, Mom. Maybe next time we buy a toy.
Maybe 1 small toy next time.
That sounds like a great idea. Mom, can we visit again tomorrow?
No, Toby, not tomorrow again.
Shopping today made me very tired.
You did very well today, Toby. Next time, I will stay beside you.